Hollywood. Today I want to show you this heavy Recon bag from Hill People Gear. I bought this about 6 months ago and took it on my Montana elk hunting trip with every intention of using it. It didn't really work out though because this is a chest kit, and the whole trip I wore my binoculars on my chest. So it just didn't really work out for me to wear it. Today I went on a hog hunting trip down in Middle Georgia, and this worked perfect. I'm going to show you all that footage here in just a second. This thing was great to have with the absence of a backpack. It was just a short day trip. I know I didn't need a whole bunch of stuff, so I didn't want to take a full bag, but I knew I was going to need some stuff with me. So let me show you some of the stuff that I had in here. I had a grunt call, I had a flashlight, a skinning knife, a headlamp, a backup battery for my cell phone, and then I actually did have my cell phone in here. You're going to see some of this footage here in a minute. The trip did not kind of end up the way we had hoped it would, and it was very convenient having this up high because of some of the water issues that we had to deal with. So I'll show you that here in a minute. But just to show you real quick, it does have some Molle webbing on the front here. There are two pouches. This one opens up. You can see there's two other pouches inside of there. There's a couple of clips, and there's more Molle webbing inside of here. So you could attach a small holster for maybe a magazine. In the back is another compartment with a Velcro loop panel, so you could stick stuff in here. This is where I carried my cell phone because it's nicely padded so it won't, scratch the phone up. So I carried that there. And it also comes with these VanQuest Grim locks. Now I've moved them to the bottom. When I first got it, they were on these top tabs, and I didn't really have any use for them there, so I hang them off the bottom, and then I was able to run my gloves down on the bottom when I wasn't, actually wearing them. So that's it, guys. They have several different sizes of this. This is the larger one. They come in multicam, and a couple other colors. So I'll post a link in the description below where you can check those out. But for now, let's check out some of that hog hunting and see how it went. Hey guys, it's Hollywood. I'm down here with a buddy John. We are just south of Macon, Georgia. It's supposed to be hot today, so we're gonna try and get some hog hunting in. I am using the 458 SOCOM. John's got his AR-15. And not sure how much filming we're actually going to get to do because some rain might roll in, and it's going to be thick through here, but we'll see. Here we go. All right, so the truck is literally right there. We come down this road, and I guess we're on a little bit of floodplain on your property here, dude.
Yeah, it's under a little bit too much rain lately.
So we have muck boots on, but we got about, 20 yards out, and it's already to the top of the boots. So we're going to see if we can skirt around the side here. We pretty much got stopped by water going out this way, so we have a new plan. Different boots. John actually brought waders, so he's gonna be good. So we're gonna try to go out the road, and it's gonna be too deep for those muck boots. So I'm gonna carry them. I'm gonna get wet with these and see if we can get somewhere, and then I'll change them out. So I brought this chest rig here, see if you can see it, from Hill People Gear, and I've had it for a while. I took it on my elk hunt and never used it because I had binoculars on my chest the whole time. So I'm glad I brought it here though, because I can keep my phone and some of my other stuff, some spare ammo up high, considering everything I just walked through. I had to put my wallet in here because my ass is wet. We just scared a big pig out of these woods, and he ran through here. It's just hard to be quiet. There is not a dry spot. You can see a ground blind right back there, and you just can't get, there's nothing dry. So I'm soaked up to my, and we're just gonna keep walking, see if we can scare another one. Hopefully it'll run across the road. That one went through the bushes, but if we can get one to run across the road, maybe we can get a shot. There is one advantage to being wet to your junk in the waters. I'm nice and cool. He's wearing waders and he's burning his ass up. So, and I'm all right. I mean, I'm probably gonna get trench foot and have blisters and all that other shit, but
Hunting for high ground.
yeah, that's the only thing we've been hunting for all day is high ground.
Did you get a little wet?
Just a little bit. All right, so we're back on the road. We didn't end up getting anything. We walked down in another draw, got it to the bottom of that. It was flooded down there, so got some lunch and we're back on the highway. But this pack, this pack actually came in really handy. Having all of your stuff up here, especially when you're up to your hoo-ha in water, it proved very useful. Every time my phone would vibrate, I'd zip it open. I had easy access to everything I needed. So pretty cool pack. I'll post a link in the description below where you can check it out. And unfortunately, I didn't get to put anything down with the 458 SOCOM. I was kind of looking forward to that. But let John shoot it. What'd you think?
Well, I think it's a lot of fun to shoot.
I let him shoot. I had an amp energy drink can, and we filled it up with water and put it out there, and it just completely blew it flat, basically. Like it just blew it open. So that thing is a monster. But we'll try it again soon, maybe in another couple weeks. It's already 81 degrees down in middle Georgia, and if we wait too much longer, it's basically uninhabitable at that point. So link in the description below where you can check this out. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button below. Lots more videos to come, and we'll see you in the next one.